26-year-old.
He's coming all the way from Santa Rosa, California. He's Team Oracle's operations coordinator and aerobatic stunt pilot. Folks, put your hands together right now for Johnny D. Woo! Pulling to a beautiful half Cuban. It's 5/8 a loop and half a roll, making it look easy, folks. Johnny D began flying when he was just 15 years old and has always wanted to be an airshow pilot. Some of his earliest memories of flying were at local airshows just like this one, where he was inspired by pilots like Jim Leroy, Delmar Benjamin in the GB, and his current boss and mentor, Sean D. Tucker. Today, Johnny will be pulling some G's like he's doing right now across that beautiful loop. He'll be pulling up to 6 positive G's. Now let me explain what that means. That means he's feeling 6 times his own weight. You've got to be in top condition. Right now, pulling to the vertical for a hammerhead, right there losing his control surfaces. Really hard to do. Little stick, hard rudder, turns it on a dime, still gets 9 cents change. Difficult to accomplish because you lose your control surfaces, but he's making it look easy, folks. Sky dancing. What do you folks think of that? Make some noise for Johnny D. Woo! Johnny D studied not far from here at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Daytona Beach and went on to fly for United Airlines. But he quit his job at United to study under the tutelage of the greatest airshow performer, Sean D. Tucker. And now Johnny is flying for you today, sponsored by his hero, his mentor. Johnny D's living the dream. Sponsored by Oracle. Only Oracle offers integrated cloud applications and platform services. Oracle accelerates digital transformation for customers while delivering extreme performance at the lowest cost. Complete business and technology solutions in the cloud or in your data center, only from Oracle. Johnny D is also an IAC aerobatic competition pilot. He's living the dream and hopes to inspire people just as he was once inspired at air shows. His flying today is a testament to dreams coming true and to follow your dreams. Now in competition as well as performance, seeing precision makes all the difference. Right now, Johnny D has just demonstrated a beautiful point roll. Seeing that precision makes all the difference. Stopping those every 90 degrees, a mark of a true professional, making the seemingly simple look spectacular. Folks, put your hands together.